reviewer. Mystery reviewing item every time. Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. It's Tiny Reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing a candy that I always wanted to taste as soon as I bought it, but obviously didn't. literally about 3 weeks later I reviewed it, which is right now. So I'm very excited. It's called Mike and Ike Original Fruits Chewy, which means it's probably a gummy, assorted fruit flavored candy. Price is $1. That's the nutrition facts and that's the ingredients. At the front, there are the different types of flavors there are in this package. Cherry is red, yellow is lemon, the pinkish one, like the dots, strawberry, lime is green, and orange is orange. So I have another napkin next to me. Okay, so let's find the entrance. Or opening. There you go. Push here to open. So let's push it. Oh, that was easy. Let's first pour it all out. Up, down. Anything that I can open it easily? If I open this part, maybe that will come out easily. Oh, now that one easy. Whoa! Okay, something reminds me of this candy. Alright, well, we have a few more coming out. One more. There you go. If you look at the lime, there's some differences. If you look at this one, it's dark. If you look at this one, it's kind of lighter. But they're all the same flavors because there's only 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with unpopular ones. So lemon. I'm gonna give my father a one too because my father's also tasting it. Very impolite of me. I just tossed it into his hand. It's a gummy. Very chewy. Gosh, my mouth is puckering right now. Not that sticky as I expected to. Also, if you know, I believe I uploaded Tropical Fruits already. I'm not sure. But when it's uploaded, look at that video. You'll see me going crazy about those candies. Not because I like them, it's because I don't like them. This is also a bit sticky, but not as bad. It's like the best compared to Tropical Fruits. My goodness, you guys better try that out. Pretty good, not bad at all. So next, let's see. It looks like the orange is not that much popular. Not bad at all. So this is also good. Next is, I'm not sure if the lime is more unpopular or the cherry is. Looks like the cherry isn't. I thought this would be a very popular. Wait, something reminds me of this flavor. Wait, let me think about this thing. The dentist, I don't know why that word came out. The dentist, since I'm a kid, I go to a children's dentist. There's a toothpaste flavor that's probably cherry, I believe. And when I first literally gave a bite, that memory came boom into my head. I'm like, I know this flavor. Literally, I'm like, am I at the dentist right now? But I'm like, no, this is my home. Literally, this is literally the dentist flavored, no, the cherry flavored toothpaste. There's no such thing as a dentist flavored toothpaste, although there is a specific type of smell in a dentist office. I like this. If I eat this, I'll never be afraid of the dentist again. That's very funny of me. This is great. I'll eat this every day and I'll never get tired of it because I'll be not afraid of the dentist ever again. Whether they give me a jewel in my teeth or a filling or whatever. This is great. I'm gonna put this in first place for right now. So I'm not sure. This is probably unpopular. I'm still eating the cherry. Don't eat it, Dad. I'm gonna eat it together. 1, 2, 3. Not bad at all. Next is a lime. Here's Dad's. I'm gonna eat a darker one, the more original thing. Let's try it. Why do every single flavor has a memory to it? This tastes like the flavor of a Gatorade. I'm not sure if there's even a lime flavored Gatorade out there, but something reminds me of Gatorade. I love Gatorade. Ranking time. So my father, he's gonna mouth it for me. Looks like lime, cherry, orange, lemon, and strawberry. So a little bit similar at the front side. I like cherry the best. I think I'm gonna eat another one. It reminds me of the dentist so much. And after that, I think I'll choose lime. So the front is just switched around. And then I'll choose orange like my dad. You're going nowhere. That is that, and then it's this. I don't really like the lemon that much. So take a picture. And then let me know in the comments below what your ranking is. Subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! I'm gonna eat 2 of this. So yummy. It reminds me of the dentist. My goodness.